If you don't know the perks of working at Sephora, a well-known beauty store in US, you get lots of free product. And over time, I have decluttered my makeup collection and kept a minimal makeup. And stay tuned to find out my essential makeup collection, and also I'll be sharing with you the tips and tricks of multi-purposing your makeup, so stay tuned for that. And PS, if you didn't know that a few years ago I wanted to be a makeup artist. Hi, my name is Sajana and I am a skincare specialist guiding you to enhance your well-being with mindfulness, skincare, and sustainability. Welcome to West Warrior Woman. Before we dive into the video, I wanted to tell you that my makeup collection might be smaller than yours or bigger than yours. The goal here is not to compare, but to guide you the creative ways to use your makeup. And make sure to watch it till the end of this video so that you are not missing out on any tips and tricks that I will be sharing with you throughout the video. Alright, saying that, let's move on. This is an overview of my entire makeup collection. You may be thinking this is not minimal, but remember I shared with you I wanted to be a makeup artist? And I even went to a beauty school to learn advanced makeup and worked at Sephora, so because of these, I had a huge makeup collection. But there are a few products from my current makeup collection that can be multi-purpose, so you don't need all of these. I will share with you those tips in just a moment. But first, let's take a look at how I organize my collection. The organization is important. If you see things, then you remember to use it. Otherwise, you forget about it and tend to buy unnecessarily. This makeup organizer from Ross, I had it for years, and the price tag is still on. Anyways, this organizer has been very helpful. I divided the section, one side for lips, one side for eyes, brushes and foundation at the back, quick grabs on the top, and remaining on the slider. Let's fill it up together. When organizing lipstick, I like to flip it upside down so I can see all the colors. Small crayons and pencil lipstick, I put it on top for the quick grabs. Foundation, concealer goes at the back, and the sample foundation didn't fit on top, so I put it in the slider. All the brushes go next to the foundation as this acts as a divider. Alright, all the brows and eyes related goes into this side, so it is easy to look for what I need. What is your one must-have makeup? For me, it's liquid eyeliner. Makeup is to enhance your natural beauty, and I have this quite big eye, so I like to focus on it. You don't need this many colors. There's a trick how you can use your eyeshadow as eyeliner. I will share with you in a bit. I have a dedicated sharpener just for sharpening makeup. Never share your lid pencil sharpener with makeup. It's not safe for your eyes and lips. Next is tweezers. They are not really a makeup, but I keep them in this same organizer box because they are always my go-to. This is another sample of full coverage foundation, and I just put it on top. I intentionally leave the front space empty for portability. On the slider, rest of the blushes, eye base, and mirror goes here. And we are all complete in this organizer. Next, I have a highlighter, bronzer, and eye quads that I store on my travel bag. I have these two eyeshadow palettes, that's it. One is neutral to create subtle looks, and one is colorful to create bold looks. It's not about how many palettes you have, but how versatile you can be with minimal makeup. And another important thing that I want to share with you is having a cosmetic sanitizer mist. It's a quick way to disinfect the palettes and brushes. It helps to keep the makeup surface clean. Being a professional, I want to give you one piece of advice. Do not share your makeup. Whether it's a lipstick or mascara or brush, any sort of makeup, because they are so close to your skin and fluid that can easily transfer the bacteria or viruses to other people. So you are actually doing a huge favor not sharing your makeup towards you and others, keeping it safe that way. So don't share your makeup. Alright, it's time you've been waiting for. How to multi-purpose your makeup is next. First is multi-purposing the eyeshadows. You can invest in a good matte eyeshadows that are neutral colors like brown or gray that can be in a palette or also in a single quad. I really like these Jouer Cosmetic Smart Packaging individual eyeshadows. All the colors I have here are brown, gray, and beige, and they are all matte. They can be used as a bronzer or eyeshadows. To give you an example, here is my bronzer. And here is my Jouer eyeshadow right here. So let me swatch it for you, the color. So this is the bronzer color. This is the bronzer. And this is the eye quad right here. See, the colors are not that much of difference, so you can definitely use this as a bronzer even on your cheeks right here, or even on the eyes, and then around on the nose area as a contour. So you want to look for something that you can use it as eyes and also use it as a bronzer. This one is another Jouer eyeshadows. This one right here is a little bit of grayish color that you can use it as a eyeshadow, or also you can use it as a eyebrow filler. So what you can do is take an angle brush like these, take these and even fill up the eyeshadows like that. I cannot see it properly, but again, choose a color that's good for your skin tone. Either it's a bronzer or it's a eyeshadow right here. So you can choose the color that are based on your skin tone, that you can use it on your eyes or as a bronzer or a eyebrows. Next is investing in a blending brushes. These brushes are very versatile. What you can do with these brushes are definitely you can use it as a blending brushes to blend your eyeshadows, and even as using as a highlighter right here. And not only that, you can use it as a cheekbone highlighter right here, and even a precise bronzer. So these are really good for that. And also contouring your nose like these, it's very precise, and as a cupid's bow highlighter. So this is a brush that can eliminate so many other brushes, so you don't need a separate highlighter brush or bronzer brush. So this does a whole lot more than just blending, and this is something I recommend you to have in your makeup collection. Another brush that I like are the angled brush like these, and definitely these ones you can use it to get the precise eyebrows like that, but also you can use these for tightening your waterline. So let's say you have a black eyeshadows right here, so you can use these and then tight line your waterline like that. So these are really versatile to get that precise eyeliner look. Another tip that I like to share is actually using your lipstick as a blush. It works really well, but make sure that you use either the crayon types or the one in the tube, so that they are easy to blend. I do not recommend you to use the liquid lipstick. These are very hard to blend in, and I even tried to use these as the eyeshadows. It was a mess, so I do not recommend these, but these are great for a longer lasting lipstick. But what you can do is take these crayons and then blend it in your hand like that, like these, you can see it. And what you can do is definitely gently blush it, dab it onto your cheeks, and then let me see the mirror so you can see it right. So you can see the difference, right? The lipstick that I use for the blush, it's very good for dry skin because it's very creamy texture, so that's why I do like these. And let me just make it even on the other side. So this is what it looks like. You blend it in, tap it, and then blend it in. See, less goes a long way, so you don't need much. And that's what it looks like as a lipstick to use it as a blush. So you don't really need a different brush. You can be as creative as you want and see how you can use your lipstick as a blush. Another thing what you can do is, let me show you. So this is my Becca highlighter right here. This is the color of it. This is what I have, and let me swatch that color for you. So this is the color, and let me swatch it in here, back of hand. So this is the color of the highlighter. And now let me take this eyeshadow palette that I have right here, and I will be comparing with this one. So this is the eyeshadow palette right here. This is what it looks like, and I'll put it right next to it. See, you can, this is different color, it depends on like the color that you have, but both of them gives these similar shimmer, so they are both the same. That's what I meant to say. So you can even use your eyeshadows as a highlighter, that you can put it on your cheekbones or in the on the nose, or even a cupid's bow. Just make sure that the glitter is not that chunky, so you don't want it to be very chunky on your cheeks. And another trick is for the eyeliner. Spray water on the angled brush for a precise eyeliner look for any eyeshadows. Took the eyeliner and then put it in here like these, that you can see it on the corner that has a little bit of pinkish tone. So this is what it looks like from that. So many things that you can achieve with a minimal makeup, right? Now you might be interested in perfecting your skincare routine for a smoother application of makeup. For that, check out the next video all about 4 must-have skincare products, and yes, you only need 4 skincare products to begin with. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and namaste.